Hey guys, welcome back to the Calico Show. And today we're gonna just start a quick game called Floppy Bird. I looked for Flappy Birds on uh Play Store, but I didn't see it. So let's get started. See how far it can go. All right. Oh my gosh. We're gonna keep calm here, guys. We got this. Come on. Come on. Okay. How can you not die on that level? See? It's like no possible way for you to not die. Hey, at least we got 4 guys. Hmm? Okay. You see what I mean, guys? You see what I mean? I probably would have lived if I just didn't tap it. No, that's what I'm thinking. See? Oh, we almost had it, guys. Okay. One. Oh. Alright, so as you can see, guys, I failed many times, so it's not an easy game. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna end this video here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.